Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Engliopedia. Today we're covering 50 important MCQs from Mother with Love, all in just 10 minutes. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. 1. The day Minta Holly grew up was day. A. Cloudy winter. B. Crisp golden September. C. Rainy October. D. Cold December. Answer. The day Minta Holly grew up was a crisp golden day in early September. 2. Who are the three members of Minta's family? A. Minta, her father and mother. B. Minta, Sally, and Grace. C. Minta, her mother and aunt. D. Minta, her mother and teacher. Answer. The three members of Minta's family are Minta, her father, and her mother. 3. What did Minta's family usually have on Saturday mornings? A. Fast food. B. Lazy breakfast. C. Formal meals. D. Tea only. Answer. Minta's family usually had a lazy and unhurried breakfast on Saturday mornings. 4. What was Minta's father reading at breakfast? A. A novel. B. Newspaper. C. Letter. D. Recipe book. Answer. Minta's father was reading a newspaper at breakfast. 5. Minta's mother was wearing a housecoat. A. Dark colored. B. Gaily colored. C. Dull white. D. Plain gray. Answer. Minta's mother was wearing a gaily colored housecoat. 6. Why did Minta and her father go to the beach? A. To buy fish. B. To collect shells. C. To get clams. D. To swim. Answer. Minta and her father went to the beach to get a few clams. 7. Why didn't Minta's mother go with them? A. She was tired. B. She had a headache. C. She had work. She disliked beaches. Answer. Minta's mother didn't go because she had a headache. 8. Minta's father seemed, while driving to the beach, A. Cheerful. B. Silent and grim. C. Talkative. D. Angry. Answer. Minta's father seemed silent and grim while driving to the beach. 9. Where did Minta plan to study? A. Maryhill. B. Greenhill. C. Cambridge. D. Rosewood. Answer. Minta planned to study at Maryhill School. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Engliopedia, your guide to easy learning.